Om Namah Shivaya. Um, so, this is spontaneous, but I just felt like someone needs a message over here. It is 2:09 a.m. right now. 2:09 हो रहे हैं और मैं बस सोने ही जा रही थी that I felt a calling कि I should come here and give a message. I don't know if this is a message that someone needs to hear or some people need to hear. I really don't know, but the thought of it wouldn't let me just go to sleep because someone needs a message, so I'm here. Maybe it is through me. ठीक है, जब भी आपको ये मैसेज आपके फीड पर दिखता है, maybe it is for you. Okay, I'm getting कि कोई टॉक्सिक है जिसको आप छोड़ना चाहते हो. 7 of Wands, 2 of Cups, Emperor, 7 of Pentacles, again High Priestess is there at the bottom of the deck. So 7 of Wands और 7 of Swords दोनों है. Someone stealing from you, someone is lying to you. कोई है जो आपको खुश नहीं देखना चाहता. Specifically your love life, specifically you in power and having good finances. ये this has been going on since a very long time. ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो आपके टाइम पर पैदा हुआ है. This has been passed on to them as if their entire family, right from their great grandparents, parents, now them or their kids are jealous of you. They don't want good things to happen in your life. For some reason, I'm seeing that you're trying to fight against all the odds, but you're missing something. इनमें से किसी को भी ट्रस्ट मत करना. Right now, what matters is that you be there for your family. आपकी फैमिली में से कोई भी अगर ऐसे किसी के टच में है तो show them this video, okay, and tell them कि this is a sign that you should not be in touch with them. Whatever it is, for whatever reason, I'm just seeing that your family matters need to be in your family. You, your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your kids, your partner, right? It needs to be a closed circle. Other people need not come and give opinions or rub their nose into your business because they are not the ones who will make sure that there is money in your bank account. They're not the ones to make sure that there is food in your plate, that you have all the resources to live a comfortable life. They're not the ones who will take any responsibility for making your present or future good or better or best, whatever. But they are the people who will enjoy to take a piece of your happiness and celebrate it. They know this. They will do it willingly. They know what they're doing. So don't think that they're nice to you. They are not. Their opinions don't run your family. Their opinions don't decide your future. Say it to yourself. These are the people who will turn their backs towards you when you end up into a bad situation. So I don't know who out there is trusting an obvious toxic person, but if this reaches you, please wake up. Because these people are the ones who will never take accountability, responsibility of anything that is connected to you. They know the consequences well, but still they will guide you into the wrong direction. and when the time comes they'll tell you it was your responsibility, your life, your decisions. I did not do anything, I just gave my opinion because you asked me, right? They will say this to you. आपने पूछा तो मैंने बोला और आपने किया। ये मदद नहीं करेंगे आपकी, ये बस एंजॉय करेंगे कि इनके इशारों पर आपने कठपुतली जैसे नाच लिया और अब जब टाइम आया उन्होंने हाथ खड़े कर दिए एंड नाउ दे आर वॉचिंग यू फेल। राइट नाउ एट दिस मोमेंट दे आर लाफिंग एट यू। यू आर नॉट डम, आप बेवकूफ़ नहीं हो, आप बस नाइव हो और इसी बात का वो फ़ायदा उठा रहे हो। तो थोड़ा सा ना अब जाग जाओ, थोड़ा सा wake up, because right now universe has given you this message through a person who's about to go to sleep. Look at my eyes, but still universe considers it so important that this has to reach you. So take it as a confirmation. They don't want to see you succeed in life, financially, romantically. They don't want to have a good stable they don't want you to have a good stable family. ये ब्लेम गेम खेलना बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं। इन्होंने खुद के लाइफ में शायद कुछ उतना कर नहीं पाए हैं, या जो भी है कोई भी चीज़ हुई है उसका ब्लेम इन्होंने आप पर डाला है हमेशा, तो या आपके फैमिली पर डाला है इन वट एवर वे। बट दिस इज़ समवन हु नीड्स टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम योर लाइफ। इनके साथ सब शेयर करना बंद कर दो, बिकॉज दे विल मेक श्योर दैट दे disturb your peace and you will give access to them. Okay, so understand this one thing and निकल जाओ। सही टाइम पर निकल जाना सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है। दिस इज़ द सही टाइम। ओके, और ये वो है जो कभी लाइफ में सुधरेंगे नहीं। दे नेवर गोइंग टू बी गुड टू यू। ओके, ये आपकी फैमिली नहीं है, बट ये प्रिटेंड करेंगे दैट दे आर लाइक योर फैमिली, राइट? सो प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड, ओके? ट्रस्ट योर गट फीलिंग। आपको भी बहुत बार ऐसा लगा है, मगर आपने हमेशा उस चीज़ को इग्नोर किया है। फिर बाद में रोते मत बैठना और कंप्लेन मत करना मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों हुआ, यूनिवर्स ने मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों किया। यूनिवर्स ने आपको क्लैरिटी देने की बहुत कोशिश की, राइट? थ्रू मी, थ्रू समथिंग एल्स, थ्रू योर गट फीलिंग, थ्रू मैनी अदर थिंग्स। यूनिवर्स ट्राइड अ लॉट, बट हु डिसाइडेड टू गो विद द टेम्पटेशन? यू, राइट? इफ स्टिल यू आर डूइंग द सेम, then let me tell you, you are doing damage to yourself. Right now this message will tell you, it's literally telling you कि बाबा डैमेज कंट्रोल का टाइम है। स्टेप बैक फ्रॉम दोज पीपल और दैट पर्सन, whoever it is. डैमेज कंट्रोल, because that someone is stealing from you, they're not true to you. उनके असली रंग तो आपको पता ही नहीं है। They are cheating, okay? They're lying to you. Understand that. ये आपको कुछ और दिखा रहे हैं। They're wearing a mask. This could be anyone. But ये वो है जो आपको आपकी फैमिली के भी अगेंस्ट कर देंगे या ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं, I don't know. And you are giving them that power. So take that power back. Take your power back. आपकी एनर्जी का एक्सेस हर किसी अरे गहरे को नहीं होना चाहिए। नॉट एवरी टॉम डिक एंड हैरी डिजर्व्स टू बी इन योर लाइफ और डिजर्व्स एक्सेस टू यू, योर एनर्जी, जस्ट बिकॉज दे वर नाइस टू यू और यू वर नाइस टू देम। वट एवर इट इज़, टेक चार्ज एंड control your life. Do the damage control. Okay, it's your life. If you want the future to be good for you, your family, then take control, take responsibility now. All right? So yes, this was the message and I think I'm going to end it over here. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं बोलने के लिए, but yes, you have the power to change this situation. Okay, चलो बाय, नमस्कार।